No state in the country is doing what California is doing on health care.
Governor Newsom says a lot of attention is being focused on tax dollars going toward Medi-Cal coverage for undocumented immigrants.
It's interesting how much attention, I get it, and it's understandable, that was given to the expansion of health care regardless of your immigration status. But it was equally remarkable is how little attention was given to the expansion of our subsidies into the middle class.
The new state budget includes money to make health care more affordable for middle-class families.
$172 a month of subsidies for families of four earning up to $150,000.
The governor also talked about universal health care. He says it's something that we can do and something that the state will be able to pay for.
Our goal is universal health care. We're not there yet.
But when asked for specifics on how California will pay for universal health care, Newsom was vague.
We're getting closer and closer every year, and so we'll pay for it within those constraints that we set aside.
Newsom also took questions from reporters on other topics. He addressed the recent mass shootings in Ohio and Texas, saying while Congress fights over gun control legislation, the state is taking action.
We'll continue to do more on red flag laws, on other means and mechanisms to make our citizens more safe. I should note, California's gun safety laws have outperformed the rest of the nation. Gun safety saves lives.
We asked the governor to address what many call a loophole in California's law that allowed a young man suspected of opening fire in a Poway synagogue earlier this year to buy an AR-15 style rifle. In California, you must be 21 to buy a rifle or a shotgun unless you have a hunting license. And that's how the 19-year-old accused of killing one and injuring three in the shooting bought his gun.
We've already noted that, and there may be legislation to close that loophole by the end of our session that the governor will hopefully sign.
Those are, I mean, if you can't even get a drink in a bar, enough said.